Welcome back to a new autumnal page tutorial. Today I'm working on a leftover paint background. I have used Dylusions paint and acrylic paints. And now I start by adding some texture with the rubber dance leaf stamps. One of my favorite ways to blend a background is to use a palette knife together with white gesso. It adds a really interesting texture and it gives you some white space on your page. In some areas I go on top with white acrylic paint because I want to cover up the background completely. I use the turquoise Dylusions paint after the background is dry. I recently uploaded a video where I share how I refresh my dried out Inka Gold, and today I use it with a stencil. I will link you to this video in the top right corner. Here it is, my most favorite technique. I'm adding white splatters to my page. My main image is of course a stamp from Rubber Dance. I will color the mushroom with distress inks. I'm pressing the lid onto the stamp pad so I get some paint onto the inside of my lid. I stamped the mushrooms directly to my page too, because I want to have the little mushrooms on the bottom and also the hair of the right one on my page. I paint the white edges of the cut out mushrooms with a black pit pen. Finally, I add some background stamping with text stamps from Rubber Duns. I cut my title with dies from Tim Holtz and add them with glossy accents. Finally, I add some shimmer with a Nuvo shimmer pen. That's my page for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Then please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!